1. Project MKUltra USA. The CIA secretly tested LSD and mind control techniques on unwitting American citizens, including prisoners, soldiers, and mental patients. Many victims were left traumatized for life. 2. The Demon Core Accidents USA. In the 1940s, physicists accidentally triggered two deadly radiation bursts while experimenting with a plutonium core, killing themselves with criticality accidents in front of other scientists. 3. Unit 731 Japan, World War II. A secret Japanese military unit conducted cruel biological experiments on humans, including vivisection, freezing limbs, and plague weapon tests. The horrors rival Nazi experiments. 4. Stanford Prison Experiment USA. A mock prison study in 1971 where students were assigned roles of guards and prisoners. It spiraled into psychological abuse within days. It was shut down early, but not before revealing the dark side of human nature. 5. The Tuskegee Syphilis Study USA. The U.S. government left hundreds of black men untreated for syphilis just to study how the disease progressed, even after penicillin was discovered. No consent, no cure, just cruel observation. 6. The Soviet Human-Ape Hybrid Experiment Russia. In the 1920s, scientist Ilya Ivanov tried to create a humanity by inseminating apes with human sperm, attempting to blur species boundaries. He failed, but it was real and government-backed. 7. The Philadelphia Experiment Alleged, USA. A rumored U.S. Navy experiment in 1943 allegedly made a warship disappear and reappear with men fused into the metal. Many believe it's conspiracy or a suppressed test of teleportation. 8. The Large Hadron Collider Panic Switzerland. In 2008, fears spread that smashing particles together at near light speed might create a black hole. Though the experiment was safe, panic about destroying Earth went viral globally. 9. Biosphere to Disaster USA. A team tried to live sealed in a giant glass dome to simulate life on another planet. It ended in oxygen shortages, food crisis, and psychological breakdowns, showing we're not ready for Mars yet. 10. Deep-sea pressure tests global. Scientists testing deep-sea pressures learned the hard way. At extreme depths, even a small mistake causes instant implosion. Some manned experiments failed, catastrophically.